Welcome back to our kitchen. Tonight's crockpot dinner is brought to you by some pork chops, one of my favorites here, the cream of bacon soup, cut up a couple onions, and our usual suspects on the variety of spices we like to use. Alright, let's get it all together and we'll be back here in a second. Alright, I've got the bottom of the larger crock pot lined with our pork chop here. I had to go a little sideways on that last one because I try not to put them on top of each other, you know, that way they don't stick together so bad. I'll be back here in a second to show you what the onion in the soup looks like on top. Okay, so here we got ourselves two cutesy onions all peeled. Let's get them cut up, and with the magic of editing, ta-da! Oh man, do these suckers make me cry. Alright. Next thing we're going to get to is the spices, because I'm thinking I want to put those on the meat before I dump all this other stuff on it. Usually I wait till the last, but since it's going to be so buried, let's get it on the meat there. We'll be right back. Alright, here's the spices. Just use some parsley, garlic powder, lemon pepper, and some Italian seasoning. Yeah, that was the other one. Let's get them onions and soup going now. So the next thing I do is I take this soup and I'm going to put it in this bigger 2 cup, half quart thing. Yep. And I'm only going to add about a half a can of water to keep it kind of thick, because the onions and the pork, they're going to make some juice anyway. So we'll be right back. Okay, so your consistency is still going to be a little bit thick for your soup, and that's okay, because remember, your onions are going to make some juice there. Alright, so get as much of that back in there as we can, and let's go pour it on. See, we got the onions covering up the meat there. And we're going to get this going. Yup. Alright, guys. Now, if you've ever watched our videos before, what we'll do is we'll meet back up with you in about 8 hours or so. We're going to cook this on low. And we'll show it to you once it's finished and then plate it up. We'll see you then. Thanks so much. Here we go. It came out. We got our pork chops. And tonight we're having veggies with it. You know, we're going healthy. So it looks so good with all that onion. Man, it almost came out looking grilled. Came out with some yummy soup. And, yeah. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you guys are staying safe. And we'll see you next time. Y'all have a good day.